Hey y'all, welcome back. This will be a Hey y'all, welcome back. This will be a super short intro this time, I promise. I know I always say that and then the intro is like 8 minutes. But I'm back with some more Cuba content. Now, it has been like 2 months since I returned to the United States from Cuba, and I was there for 8 days. And I was really excited about this trip and the opportunity to come back home and share my experiences as a Black or African American woman visiting Cuba for the first time, experiencing the culture, the music, the spirituality, the architecture, everything, all of the beauty that Cuba has to offer. And unfortunately, due to all of the power outages and struggles that Cuba is going through currently, to my dismay, I ended up with a lot of really just disjointed videos from different points in the trip. Not only that, some of the videos were recorded on my phone. Some of them are cut short because the batteries, were dying at the worst possible times. And so this particular video that I'm about to share with you guys, it is in portrait orientation. Some people might get angry and say, why on earth would you be recording in 2025 and posting a video that's not in landscape? You guys, I was in Cuba and I had to make do. And I really was almost reluctant to share these videos with you guys because of some of the quality with some of them. I am not going to be able to present you guys with a very polished, professional looking YouTube video of my experiences in Cuba. But as I started posting a few videos here and there, the response was really so encouraging. Even the response from a troll who got angry at me for using the term afrocubano, and he wanted to have a whole, argument about why Cubans are not Black and so forth, which is not anything that I actually asserted. That's beside the point. We're not even going to get into that, right? Because we are talking about Yary McCarthy, an amazing artist who I met, and I had the pleasure of hearing her perform on our last day in Cuba. Much thanks to my Cuba travel companion. As we were walking around in the streets of Havana, looking for some Havana club, before we departed for the States. She said, what is this place? What is this? And she was peeking inside, and a couple came to the front and they said, this is our art studio or art gallery. And they brought us in and they just let us see, the amazing art that they have created, and played a song for us. It is something that I will not personally forget. Miss McCarthy did give me her permission to post this video on YouTube, and she does have a social media presence as well, I believe on Facebook and possibly TikTok as well. And you will see that in the video. So it would be amazing if you guys could reach out to her, support. And she did have CDs available there if that is something that you would like to do. I don't know about, the logistics or how feasible it is for her to ship things to the US or even to other countries. I'm not an expert on that, but I think it would be amazing if people just showed her some love and showed her some support, because she showed us so much love. And this was just one more example of the Cuban people, man, showing up and showing out and just being so kind. Yes, she did have an offering for us in the form of her music, right, that we could take back with us to our home country. But it was very heartfelt, right? It wasn't just a sales transaction of like, hey, come in here and let me sell you something. There's so many personalities, so many different characters in Cuba. But I will say that Miss Yary, she was one of those just shining examples, one of those beautiful, beautiful, amazing people that we met along the way. I truly feel that there are so many artists in Cuba and just so many people. There are so many people like this the world over, right, that may not get a chance to be seen. And I wanted Yary to be seen. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, I apologize that it is not the optimal format for YouTube viewing. But I love y'all. Peace.
That is my music.
This is your music?
Yes, my music because I am a musician. So we have a big project from the United States.
Oh, nice.
She's right there.
She's writing about you guys?
They write a book of Leo art.
Oh,
you can
nice.
see the woman. He is ready for that. It's important.
Where is she from?
Her name is Leo. Will be now in that magazine. I sing this song. It's Spanish feelings.
Okay. Spanish feeling.
So for 2025, my song will be in that magazine also. This song.
Nice. Okay.
Échale bebida al tiempo, la vida es una sola, lucha por tus sentimientos y vivirás. Waking up in the morning, I can feel you are living, I would like to be stronger, sleep. What can I say? Live to love. ¿Qué puedo decir? Mi verdad. If you knew that I had so many dreams with you, I would like to be stronger. ¿Qué puedo decir? Mi verdad. What can I say? Live to love. Échale bebida al tiempo. La vida es una sola. Lucha por tus sentimientos y vivirás. What can I say? If you love. ¿Qué puedo decir? Live to life.
Oh my God.
Thank you
That was
so
so
much.
awesome. You have CD?
Yes, Leo, enséñale el
¿Cuánto?
disco. Songwriter.
Okay.
Enjoy. Gracias.
Was it you bought albums, right? Didn't you buy albums?
I bought one album. Yeah, you were in there with me. I want to learn how to play guitar, so this is funny. I'm gonna go over here and see her from the front.
Échale bebida al tiempo. La vida es una sola. Lucha por tus sentimientos y vivirás. Waking up in the morning, I can feel you are living. I would like to be stronger. That's Linda. I love you. What can I say? If you lie.